This is the third time we faced this issue. The first two clients only sent us what color they wanted without specifying a color code. And this time, this client sent us the plain sample picture and a pattern color code. We produced a sample according to their requirement and sent a photo for confirmation. But they said the color was off. We know where the problem lies and explained it to them in detail. First, the same product color can look different in various phones and screens. Some colors appear darker and others lighter or washed out. Second, the color you request and the final color printed on the product can differ due to layering effects, which changes how it looks. Without a physical sample, it's nearly impossible to achieve 100% color accuracy. Please keep this in mind when sourcing custom promotional products. Okay, follow Jack for any promotional product sourcing.